All right, Chinese kit time. This time it is a function generator. Function signal generator DIY kit, sine, triangle, square wave output, 1 hertz to 1 megahertz. And the cool thing of it is it comes with a case and knobs and everything. So some hardware and everything for $7. So yeah, I think this will be a good one. Let's get it onto a tray. All right, mechanical parts, those over there. Schematic. And electrical parts over here. We'll keep them in the bag for now. A couple capacitors. Oh, nice little knobs. Blue tops. All right. Let's take a look at the schematic. Oh, and the PC board. The red one. All right. So, step 1. Diagram. Step 2, parts. Step 3, welding. I like how they call it welding in China. Debugging. Okay. How to power it up. And using this step. Put in the jumper. Oh. The little jumper allows you to select whether it's sine or square. Okay. Let's see. How are we doing here? Ooh, tiny little writing. I think I can read that. All right. Okay. We will need the parts list. So this is a 104 capacitor. It goes into C2. So you're actually going to have to pay attention. C2. Okay. And this one is a 10. I've got my magnifying glass. Where's my big magnifier? Oh, there it is. 105. 105 goes into C5. C5, this one. Okay. This one is 222. Goes into C7. C7. And this one is 101. Goes into C8. And 743. C6. All right. Whoa. I think we'll do some soldering or welding. 303 ohms. R4. R4. R. Okay. R1. 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 Okay. C3, C4. That's the same. Select. All right. All right. And I'll jump over here. So I'm not going to burn my fingers on, so let me put some units on. Burn my hair. All right. I assume all the adjustable resistors. Oh, no, different. Okay, there it is. B5, B5, B1. There it is. Let's see. This one is. Those. This one is. Okay. This one is. 50K. This one is. Okay, alright. 50K is 100K. And 100K goes in heartbeat. Right. Alright. Well, it's a bit. Alright. Okay. Okay, I gotta have something else here somewhere. Got a powder. Interesting. Okay. Alright. And turn off. And oil jumper. That's actually. Jumper for the range, one jumper for sine or triangle. Why did I make jumpers? Oh, I got it. Sorry. Gonna put the next one for the. Okay, one. Yeah, here. Go here. Okay. Sine triangle. Okay. Knobs. And all right, let's put the case on, and let's see if we can. Oh dear, the leads are mangled on this thing. I have to straighten them out. Happens quite often with these Chinese kits. Yes, the Chinese mail is not nice to them. Probably the U.S. mail isn't nice to them either, but. All right. That looks pretty good. There we go. Guess we could try it out. Don't need to put it in the box yet. Be easier to troubleshoot here. So I imagine it's positive in. Let's see. Yeah, this is negative, 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 positive. Yeah. Center pin positive. Okay. Let's see if we can use this adapter here, I guess. All right. So what do you suppose? 5 volts, 12 volts? Let's start with 5, just to be safe. Okay. Let's see here. Minus and plus. And what does this say? Sine triangle. square, ground. Okay. And we can put some little wires over there so we can grab onto things. Let's see, we got a ground. Let's do the sign. Ah, a little wire fell out. Okay, let's turn on the oscilloscope. And let me reposition the camera. All right, let's hook up power and hook up an oscilloscope. Let's see here, we'll hook on the ground here and output there. And it looks like it's oscillating. I wouldn't call that a sine wave, but it looks like it's oscillating. Let's see, what do these knobs do? That one changes that. So we're getting a square wave out now. I've put it on the output that says square wave. And we can change the rate here. We can make it go slow, faster, faster. Oh, pretty nice. This is a good range here for the oscilloscope setting I have. Oh, you know, I think when you change it, you need to cycle power. There you go, yeah. So when you change the decade, cycle power, otherwise it's very confused. It locks up or something. So that does seem to be pretty cool. And these other knobs, one of them changes that, and one of them changes that. Interesting. Does it say? It says two of the knobs are coarse and fine. Coarse and fine, I guess. And then this knob, I don't know what that knob does yet. That knob looks like it changes something else. So we can go over here to the other thing, which is supposed to be a sine or a triangle. And we'll cycle power on that. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to troubleshoot why the other ones are not working. Not quite there. Camera. All right, but we do have the square wave working, so that's good. Yeah, this is really hard to see on camera. Yeah, forget it. These two resistors are in series, and so one of them is a coarse and one of them is a fine. One of them's the 100K and one's the 50K. Okay, that one's the fine. This is the coarse. Okay, let me poke around and see why our sine wave's not working. So I figured out what's going on. Remember I said I wasn't quite sure what voltage to use for this thing, and I started out at 5 volts, 5.7. Let me increase it, increase it, increase it, increase it. Look at that, it's starting to look like a sine wave. Yay, so it says 9 volts. So it does look like it's clipping. I don't know, there we go. Ah, this is the knob that I wasn't sure what it was, is magnitude for the sine wave. Change our, yeah. So that's looking pretty good. Looks like there's a DC offset on it. Well, need to passively couple it out. Let me put it over on sine, or triangle. Yeah, there's triangles. So I'm moving the little jumper. Let's see here. Oops. So this is the jumper here. This is the range. These are the frequency set for coarse and fine. This is the amplitude. And this is, put the jumper at the top, it's triangle wave, and you put it in the bottom, it's sine wave. Okay. I'll go back over here. So it's on triangle now, and I'll move it down to sine. There you go. Not the greatest sine wave. It looks pretty bad, in fact. But, it is what it is. Let's see here. Yeah, we need to be AC coupled. Sorry for my fat fingers here. Oops. Okay. AC coupled. Yeah, that's not a sine wave. Oh well. Okay, so let's put it in the box. Let's see what's in the bag. Got some screws. All right. Rid of those. Oh gosh. Now I've got to get this stupid peely stuff off of the plexiglass. Lexan, whatever you want to call it. This is the hardest part. I wonder if duct tape would work. All right, let's see if duct tape works. It does, yay! Okay, here's the great trick. You get yourself a piece of duct tape, stick it on there, and then it will peel up the, well, sometimes works. Damn it. You need like the world's strongest duct tape. Let's see if I can find a fresher piece here. There we go. Okay. Come on. Even duct tape's not so bad as stupid stuff. Oh man. Nope. Oh well. I tried. You think that work? You think? But it doesn't do. This brown side is still here. The film over right down here. It's kind of slippery, so the duct tape just don't want to grab. Then you get problems like this, where it's just stuck on so much. It's not. Won't come off there. Let's go slow. Try it all going. I'll let you see what's out there. Oh. Everything, yeah. Come here, oh, no, trick. There's the camera. No, go use a piece of selfie. Get better. Or soapy water, put it in water, get soft. You find one, you build one, you find a way to do this. Then you do. So everybody knows how to do it. get started. Doesn't want to go. I supposed to leave that on? Hey, it's got that training on it. I don't know if that's laser mark through there, I pull it off, and then it's actually in the plastic? Or if I rip this and it's not forever. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Use it up to a little here. Oh, come on. Nope, nope. Oh, I'm not sure about this one. Let's take this off. Hopefully the laser mark will all the way through. And it is, yay. It didn't mark into the end. All right, there it is. It's an okay little kit. I've done projects with these chips before. These are XR. Oh, what are they called? XR 2206. Anyway, they're a little function generator chip. That's all they do. It's function generator chip, and they are what they are. They always have a terrible sine wave. But this one comes with a little box and it comes with little knobs and everything. So this is the best kit for a chip like that I've seen. It's got a pretty good set of decades for speed. Well, they're written on here. Let's see. It says, it's hard to see. I have to get the light just right. 65K to 1 megahertz, 3K to 65K, 100 to 3K, and then 10 to 100 hertz, and 1 to 10 hertz. So quite a wide range. The outputs are ground square and sine, or triangle, depending on what this jumper. It's up, it's triangle. If it's down, it's sine. And the decade and the power goes in there. And no, doesn't come with a wall wart or anything, but everybody's got 9 or 12 volt wall wart, so it should be okay. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that.